I'm going to do the cinnamon challenge again. Because this is a debate if it's a teaspoon or a tablespoon. I done it with a teaspoon twice. And didn't drink water either time. And did it back to back. I still didn't drink the water in between the back to back. So now, this one's for Rizzo. He says it's a tablespoon. So, we're going to give it cinnamon. This is a tablespoon. Ground cinnamon. I'm even going to level it off to make it look good. Level it off. Perfect tablespoon. Don't want no critics now. Fuck. Alright. A lot broader. Not bad. I'm getting used to taste of cinnamon.
Wow.
Pumped up. Alright. I'm even licking out from my gums.